Not only am I going to share with you 5 Mr. Beast hacks that you can use to make $100 in affiliate marketing, but I'll also share with you how he makes so much money that he gives tons of it away. Just in case you don't know who Mr. Beast is, he is the #1 YouTuber. Like, he's #1 on YouTube. Get this, last year, Forbes estimated that he made around $54 million last year. Check it out. This I'll put up this is his channel. Yeah, the man is entertaining, funny, and he's mostly known for his generosity.
As much money as you can stack in this square, you can keep.
What is so cool about why I'm telling you this is his unique brand lets him be able to be an affiliate for several different companies. I'll list them down below, but what comes to mind is I know I've seen Lotto, Honey, I see a lot of Honey, and even TikTok. Number 5 is understand your audience. I mean, the more relevant that the product, or if you have a service, the more likely people are going to actually buy from you. It kind of has to make sense. An example is when Mr. Beast sponsored Dragon City, and his video had a game where they totally smashed like dragon eggs. It was really cool. But it made sense because he was talking about the video. You get the picture, right? Education is also key to understanding your audience. And if you're like, Shelly, that makes no sense. So if you have value added content, okay? So consider that. You want your content to make sense and to fit in with your product. Like, duh. A successful affiliate marketing person is going to be able to use that product to help solve problems, to help fix something, to help see what someone wants, right? So it only makes sense promoting only items that match the needs and basically the wants of your audience. So you always want to think about that when people are actually coming to if you have a website or your funnel. Okay, number 4 is choose vendors that will negotiate. Now you're probably thinking, Shelly, I have no power to negotiate, especially if you're just starting off. That's okay. So what I would do is start promoting their product. And if you do good, then go back to the company and start negotiating. Be like, hey, you know what? I'm doing really good at this. So can I go ahead and add another 10% or so-and-so? And then if it keeps getting better, then go back to them again. Keep negotiating. The better that you're going to be for their product, they're not going to care. They'll fork it out. Number 3 is consider promoting products that renew monthly. And you know what? Don't just consider it, just do it. Seriously. Okay, it's okay to promote products or services that, where you get like one-off commissions and stuff like Amazon or Walmart or ClickBank but if you will, ClickBank has a lot of stuff that's software and stuff like that that's reoccurring monthly. There's a lot of single products and stuff like we'll use Amazon. And the bad thing about that is they may have like 3 items left and you still have it on your site to sell and they run out and then there's issues. And so it's just better if you have money coming in every single month. Also, it makes your affiliate business more predictable and more stable. And something tells me it'll put a smile on your face a whole lot more often. Number 2 is promote digital products. Now, I kind of said something a while ago when I slipped up about ClickBank, but digital products is the way to go. Like, they often have high conversion rates because they provide instant access and instant gratification to people if you really think about it. Because as soon as they purchase them, it's kind of like, oh, I have something, And digital products, there's some of the best affiliate programs out there too. So if you really want to get in to make money online and you're not there yet, you really need to look into some digital products, I promise. And number 1 is choosing quality over money. I said that right. Yeah. Okay. You probably can make like a higher commission if you sell a lower quality product, but people are going to buy less of that, but people are going to be less likely to buy because most have wised up to this cheap products. Plus, promoting junk can seriously damage your credibility as well as your brand. I actually have a great example to that too, because I had a friend that was an affiliate marketer, and he didn't know that the product was not that great, and he sold a whole bunch of it and he was doing so good. He was like, I did it, I'm selling all of this and I'm doing really good. But then, you know, he started having people complaining, and then the company itself, always check into the company, wasn't following up, wasn't doing what they were supposed to. So then all those people started hating on him and never wanted anything to do with him. So they didn't have any trust in him anymore. So always make sure to research and check the company out that you're going to use to be an affiliate. I tell people that all the time. Now, before I tell you how Mr. Beast makes so much money that he can give tons and tons of it away, do me a favor. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. That way you get to see tons of stuff about affiliate marketing and making money online. And if you liked this video or got anything out of it, you could give it a like. Now, I told you I would share with you how Mr. Beast makes so much money that he can give away tons of it. Okay, he of course makes a lot through ad revenue. I'm going to show you soon, but he gets the majority of prize money that he gives away from videos is actually through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just saying. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to make tons of cash, then you seriously want to check out the first link in the bio, because it is the best way that you can get started. And if you forgot to subscribe, you can go ahead and do it now. Did you do it? Thanks. Now, if you liked this video, something tells me that you're gonna like the next one. So go ahead and watch it, and I'll see you in it, because I'm there. I'm in it.